Hello everyone, welcome back to Nija Education channel. I hope you all are doing well. Before we get into this video, please subscribe our channel if you have not done it and press the bell icon for the notifications. In the previous video, we learned about the editing group under Home tab. In this video, we are going to learn about the styles group and the clipboard group under Home tab. So let's see how does these groups work. As you can see over here, I have already opened the file, the keyboard, which we are using from the first video onwards. Now I am going to place my cursor over here in the first paragraph. As you can see, I have given the spaces in between the lines, as you can see over here, and these are the three paragraphs, I would say, or three lines. This is your style group, and from which you can pick your style, right? So wherever you are placing your cursor, in whichever paragraph you are placing your cursor, that will accept the style whichever you are choosing over here. As you can see the difference, as you can see over here, this is the intense quote style, right? Okay, now I will teach you how to create your inbuilt style. Click here and then create a style. Create new style form formatting dialog box will open. Here I am going to write style 1, I will keep as it is. In paragraph style preview, I will keep style 1 as it is. Then OK. So as you can see, here style 1 is given, but in which I have not given any kind of formatting. For giving the formatting, I will right click on that and then modify it. After that, I am going to click on the style. So style based on quote. Then the following paragraph, style 1, font, I am going to choose American Science over here, and size will be the 16. I will keep it bold, and the color I am going to select is, let's take a green color, okay, and then press OK. So as you can see here, I have created my own style over here, right? Now if you right click it on again, and if you remove from style gallery, and if you click on that, so it will be removed from the list. But if you select the apply styles and if you go for the style 1, it will be there. As you can see in the list, style 1 is there. Now what is next? Clear formatting. Clear formatting is nothing but it will clear everything which you have done for formatting your text. So as you can see, so earlier it was in a Times New Roman, but now it is in the Calibri and 11, which is the default font style and font size for the Word document. So this was about your styles group. Now moving forward to the clipboard group. So what I will do, I will select the first lines and I will copy that one, and I will place my cursor at the last position, and from the drop down arrow of paste I will click. So as you can see, first option is keep source formatting, second is merge formatting, third is picture, and fourth is keep text only. So before we copy, I will make some changes over here. I will keep this bold and I will keep it in a italic manner. Select these two lines, copy it and place your cursor at last, and now you will be able to see the difference. As you can see there, keep source formatting is copying the text as it is, If I go for merge formatting, here you won't be able to see any kind of difference between the selected portion and the pasted portion. So how it differs? Go for new file and then here you try to paste. So as you can see here, they have changed the font style into Calibri and the font size in the 11. So merge formatting, what does it do? It creates a font style or a text type which is around it, right? So even if in the previous file, so here I am keeping Arial rounded empty bold and font size as 20. And then if I am going for pasting over there, so as you can see the difference, right? I copied the text in this manner, but if I paste for merge formatting, it will be in the different manner. Next is your picture. What does it do? If you click on that, it will create a picture image of your text. See, I have selected over here and you can see there. So whenever you want anyone to not copy your text, you can go for copying text in this format. And the last is keep text only, which will copy text only and it won't copy any other formatting which we have done, right? So this is your paste options under the home tab. Now as you can see over here, two options are available, which is cut and copy. If you cut it, what does it do? It remove the selection and put it on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else, right? Same way, copy, put a copy of the selection on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. So where they are keeping the selection, so let's see this. Click here and as you can see over here, I have selected this lines over here, right? And if you want to paste all, you can paste it, place the cursor and click the drop down arrow and place it, right? Let's take another example. I am copying this text. So as you can see, the second also it came here, and if you want to paste all the content again, so place your cursor wherever you want to paste and then paste all, right? Now let's take a new document. In that also if you want to paste, you can paste it like this, right? So this is how your cut and copy button works. Now what about formatting painter? The format painter, like the look of a particular selection, you can apply that look to another content in the document. So let's take an example. Here I am going to write keyboard and few formatting I am going to give it to. So let's say color will be the red, bold, italic. Then I am going to select the font style and will increase the font size, right? Now how to copy this formatting? So select the word, then format painter. You have to click here, or what you have to do, you have to use the keyboard shortcut keys, which are Ctrl plus Shift plus C and then Ctrl plus Shift plus V. I am going to select the format painter over here and then I will place this formatting to this number. So select this number. As you can see, the formatting of this word and this number is the same, right? So this was about your styles group and the clipboard group under home tab in MSW. For more videos, please stay tuned with Nija Education and keep learning with it.